Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Aggie. Today I will be decorating this small mirror for you. The base of my mirror is white, so I will not be using paint or primer as surface is sanded really well and glue can stick to it more easily. Now we can start preparing images. Most of the time I tear rice paper with fingers for better blending. This way edges are fluffy and tend to blend better, saving us time with less coats of varnish later on. Rice paper is very easy to use and doesn't get wrinkles like paper napkins. I can start gluing by applying glue on the frame first and then another layer on the top, starting in the middle of my image, smoothing paper towards edges. When glue is dry, I mix cream, brown, green and white paint to blend background. I also add little bit of water when needed. I do my mixing along the way, adding more of each color, then I use larger sponge to tap over the paint to blend it, adding water if needed. Remember to take only tiny bit of paint on your sponge and work your way towards images, not the other way around. This is time consuming, but once you learn how to do it, your work will look like hand painted. When everything is dry, I use stencil to add more detail to my work. I spray stencil with temporary glue and wait few seconds for it to dry and become sticky. Then I position my stencil on the frame and I apply thin layer of paint over it using sponge. Temporary glue prevents stencil from moving at the time of painting or applying paste, as well as leaking under it. Once paint is dry, I mix dark green and black paint with water to get thin mixture, and I use fan brush to splash dots around the mirror to blend everything even better. When I'm happy with the finish, I can start varnishing. I apply several layers of gloss water-based varnish, and then I use fine sandpaper to smooth my surface with another varnishing to follow. I applied about 40 layers of varnish with several sandings in between layers. This took me about 1 week to finish, so plan your work ahead and do it properly. I usually apply several layers of water-based varnish, then I leave my work overnight for proper drying. Then I use fine sandpaper the next day to smooth surface of my work with another varnishing to follow. When everything is finished, I use sharp knife to clean my mirror from paint. At the very end, I attach hooks as well as string, and my work is finished. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon with another video. Bye!